The one habit that is slowly destroying your Ram truck. Are you really using your Ram truck the way it was engineered to be used? Why do so many Ram owners experience engine, transmission, and electronic problems far earlier than expected? And why do some Ram trucks easily reach 300,000 miles while others start feeling worn out long before 100,000? Today we are going to answer these questions because there is one habit that most Ram owners repeat every single day without realizing the long-term damage it causes. This habit is not a defect. It is not poor engineering, and it does not affect only one engine or one model year. It affects gasoline engines, diesel engines, mild hybrid systems, and trucks that appear perfectly maintained on paper. When this habit is ignored or accelerates quietly, when it is corrected, the very same truck can last dramatically longer, feel smoother, and remain reliable even under demanding use. The uncomfortable truth is this: Ram trucks are extremely capable machines, but they are often used in ways that go directly against how their systems are designed to protect themselves over time. Let's start by clearly defining what this habit actually is. The most damaging habit is aggressive or careless operation before the truck is fully stabilized, combined with light-duty usage patterns that confuse systems designed for real work. This includes cold starts followed by immediate driving, frequent short trips, repeated light towing without proper warm-up or cool-down, and ignoring how the engine, transmission, cooling, and emission systems are meant to operate together as a single unit. Many owners believe modern trucks are smart enough to protect themselves automatically. That is partially true, but it is also exactly why the damage happens silently. The truck adapts, limits output, adjusts timing, and compensates in the background. Problems do not show up immediately. Instead, where accumulates slowly until one day the truck feels rough, hesitant, or unreliable, and the owner believes the problem appeared suddenly. Let's break this down step by step. When you start your Ram cold, whether it has a HEMI V8, a Pentastar V6, or an EcoDiesel, the engine oil is thick, internal components are not fully expanded, and tolerances are at their tightest. At this moment, the engine depends on controlled lubrication flow and gentle load to stabilize temperatures. Driving immediately with heavy throttle, rapid acceleration, towing, or climbing hills forces components to operate under stress before they are properly protected. This early stress does not cause instant failure. Instead, it creates microscopic wear. Bearings, cam surfaces, lifters, and timing components experience friction that would not exist once temperatures are stable. Repeating this process day after day is one of the fastest ways to shorten engine life without realizing it. Now consider the transmission. Most modern Ram trucks use the ZF8 Speed Automatic, one of the best transmissions ever installed in a pickup. It is strong, smooth, and efficient, but it is also extremely sensitive to fluid temperature. Cold transmission fluid does not flow or protect components the same way warm fluid does. Aggressive throttle inputs, rapid shifts, and stop-and-go driving when cold cause clutch packs and valve bodies to experience unnecessary micro-wear. You don't feel this damage immediately. Instead, after years of use, owners report delayed engagement, rough shifts, or hesitation. At that point, they often assume the transmission is unreliable, when in reality, it was slowly worn down by daily driving habits. Now at how most Ram trucks are actually used. Many owners primarily use their truck for commuting, short errands, school runs, or light towing. From the outside, this seems gentle. In reality, it is one of the harshest usage patterns for a modern truck. Short trips prevent full thermal cycles. Engines and transmissions constantly heat up and cool down without ever stabilizing. Fluids break down faster. Moisture and deposits are not burned off properly. Light towing creates another hidden problem. It places repeated torque demands on the drivetrain without sustained operating conditions that systems are calibrated for. The truck is working, but never long enough or consistently enough to reach the conditions it expects. For EcoDiesel models, this becomes even more critical. Diesel engines rely heavily on proper operating temperature to manage soot and emissions. Short trips and low load driving interfere with regeneration cycles. The truck tries to compensate automatically by injecting additional fuel or delaying regeneration. This increases stress on the EGR system, diesel particulate filter, turbocharger, and exhaust components. Over time, Soot accumulates, exhaust temperatures rise, and sensors become confused. Eventually, warning lights appear, power is reduced, or expensive components fail seemingly without warning. In most cases, the root cause is not the engine itself, but years of driving patterns that never allowed the system to operate as designed. Gasoline engines are not immune either. The HEMI V8, especially in models equipped with cylinder deactivation, is extremely sensitive to oil quality and temperature stability. Cold operation combined with frequent switching between cylinder modes increases internal stress. This is one reason some HEMI engines develop lifter or cam-related issues far earlier than expected, even when oil changes appear to be done on schedule. Another major factor that owners overlook is cooling behavior after use. Many drivers shut the truck off immediately after towing, climbing long grades, or extended highway driving. At that moment, oil circulation stops, coolant flow slows, and hot components retain heat unevenly. This repeated heat soak contributes to seal hardening, oil breakdown, sensor stress, and electronic degradation. Once again, the damage is invisible at first, but over years of use, it adds up. So why do some Ram trucks reach 300,000 or even 400,000 miles? Because their owners unintentionally do a few key things differently. They allow the truck to stabilize after startup. They drive gently during the first minutes of operation. They avoid heavy throttle and high loads until temperatures are where they should be. They allow the engine and transmission to cool down after demanding use instead of shutting the truck off immediately. They also understand load management. A Ram truck is happiest doing real work or cruising steadily. Constant light-duty use is often more harmful than occasional heavy use done correctly. Owners who tow properly, allow regeneration cycles to complete, and avoid interrupting system processes experience dramatically fewer long-term problems. Now let's talk about what you can do starting today. First, change your cold start behavior. After starting the truck, let it idle for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Then drive gently for the first few miles. Avoid hard acceleration, high RPM, or towing until temperatures stabilize. This single habit significantly reduces long-term wear. Second, respect how the transmission behaves. If your Ram feels hesitant or slow to shift when cold, that is intentional protection. Do not override it with aggressive throttle. Smooth inputs equal longer transmission life. Third, manage short trips intelligently. If most of your driving is short distances, occasionally take the truck on a longer drive at steady speed. This allows fluids to stabilize, moisture to evaporate, deposits to burn off, and sensors to recalibrate. This is essential for diesel models and beneficial for gasoline engines as well. Fourth, allow proper cool down after heavy use. After towing, long climbs, or sustained highway driving, let the truck idle briefly before shutting it off. This helps normalize temperatures and protect seals, turbo components, and electronics. Fifth, pay attention to early signals. Modern Ram trucks communicate constantly. Slight hesitation, rough shifts, increased fan activity, or unusual behavior are warnings. Addressing them early prevents expensive repairs later. Finally, understand what your truck was built for. A Ram is not a compact car. Treating it like one shortens its lifespan. Using it properly unlocks its true durability. The reason this habit is so dangerous is not because it causes immediate failure, but because it accelerates while everything still feels normal. By the time symptoms appear, damage is already advanced. The good news is that fixing this habit costs nothing. No modifications, no expensive parts, just awareness and a few changes in how you use your truck every day. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Your Ram is incredibly capable, but it assumes you are using it correctly. When you do, it rewards you with strength, longevity, and reliability. When you don't, it slowly wears itself out trying to protect you from your own habits. And that is why some Ram trucks last a lifetime, while others don't.